the sheep in the village have, well, gotten inside, which is not going to go well for all of the things I have to work on. But I'll be back in just a moment, and Walter will introduce you to Toothless. And that helmet that you have there, that's going to help out quite a bit, I think. All right, enjoy the rest of your day, everyone.
So you at least talked to you there, buddy. That was awesome.